If you're thinking about buying Looka, there are 7 key things you need to know before you make that decision. Stay tuned till the end, because I'll be giving you an insider's perspective on Looka, comparing it to other design tools, and revealing why it might be the right fit or not for you. First things first, Looka is an AI-powered design tool that focuses on creating professional logos, brand kits, and websites. Unlike other design platforms that require a steep learning curve or pricey subscriptions to hire professional designers, Looka simplifies the process with templates and customization options. You don't need a background in graphic design to get started, which is a huge advantage if you're on a tight budget or simply need something quick. Next thing to consider, Looka's pricing structure. While the initial concept might sound like it offers great value, you should know that their plans range from a basic logo package to more premium offerings with additional features. The catch here is that although it's affordable at first glance, certain features, like brand guidelines and website hosting, are locked behind higher tier plans. So depending on your needs, Looka could get pricey when you start adding extras. The third thing you should know is the ease of use. If you've used design tools like Canva or Adobe Spark, Looka is incredibly intuitive in comparison. You simply enter your business name, select design preferences, and within minutes, Looka generates multiple logo options for you. The drag and drop interface makes it easy to tweak and personalize designs, but it doesn't give you the same level of control that some more advanced design tools do. This is perfect for beginners or small businesses, but might feel limiting for experienced designers. Moving on to the fourth thing, brand kits and business tools. Looka doesn't just stop at logos, it helps you build a full brand identity. After you've designed your logo, you can move on to creating business cards, social media posts, and even a full website, all with the same branding. This is a big selling point compared to competitors like Wix or Squarespace, which also offer website builders but don't provide the same cohesive brand building tools in one place. Next thing, customization and flexibility. While Looka gives you a lot of options, you're still somewhat confined to its templates. If you need truly custom design work, you'll likely need to hire a graphic designer to make it happen. For most small business owners or startups looking for something quick and affordable, Looka offers more than enough flexibility. But if you want full creative control, you may find other design platforms or agencies a better fit. The sixth thing to keep in mind is their customer support. Looka offers basic customer support through email, but you may have to wait a bit for a response, depending on the volume of inquiries. If you're looking for instant help, it's worth noting that Looka's support isn't as fast or comprehensive as some of its competitors, such as Canva, which has a more extensive help center and live chat feature. And the seventh and final thing you need to know, the quality of your design. Looka uses AI to generate logo designs based on your input, but the results can sometimes be hit or miss. If you're looking for a design that's completely unique and high quality, there may be limitations. That said, if you're just getting started and need a clean, professional logo quickly, Looka delivers great value for the price. If you want to try out Looka for yourself, you can get started for free with no risk. Just click the first link in the description below to access the best free trial for Looka, along with exclusive benefits. This will allow you to see for yourself if it's the right fit for your branding needs. So, if you're in the market for a quick and affordable design tool that simplifies the branding process, Looka might be the solution you're looking for. Click that link to check it out and start designing today.